Hi guys, so I posted a short video of my homemade DIY detergent and somebody asked that I make a complete video. Hey my love, if you're seeing this video, here is a complete video. So in a clean bowl I added my soda ash. So after that I went ahead and added my sulfonic acid. I would go ahead and mix everything to combine. You guys, please, when you're making this, make sure to wear your hand gloves and your nose masks, your face mask is very important because the chemicals you're dealing with are raw chemicals and they can be very harsh on the skin at times. So the next thing I added was my CMC and I would go ahead and mix everything to combine. Please, it's very important that you mix everything together. So the next thing I added was my STPP. So you guys, we're making 5 kg homemade detergent. I have been making homemade detergent for like 1 year now, and trust me, it has saved me a whole lot of money because this thing what I'm making will last for like at least a month and 2 weeks or a month and 1 week. Okay, so I am still trying to like demold it. Remember, we're making powder detergent and we don't want that mold in here, so I will try as much as I can to make everything to be powder. Okay, please, like I said earlier, make sure to wear your hand gloves. So the next thing on the list is my sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium lauryl sulfate, I don't know, but yeah, I added sodium sulfate powder to that. Okay, and I will still mix everything to combine. You guys, I don't know why this thing is kind of mold. I don't know, maybe I expose it to air, I don't know, but yeah, it is what it is, you guys. So as you can see, I am still trying to like mix everything to combine. It is very important that you mix everything to combine. Please combine everything, is very important. Okay, yeah, so the next thing on the list is my STPP. Have I mentioned STPP before? I don't know, but yeah, let me just run you through all the like ingredient for making this soap. The number 1 ingredient is soda ash. The number 2 is SLS powder, STPP, sodium sulfate, CMC, perfume, and sulfonic acid. Okay, so those are all the ingredients, or those are all the chemicals for making this powder. You guys, after combining all my powders together, the next thing on the list is to add my color sprinkles or color granules. I don't know, color sprinkles, color granules, whatever. So I added the yellow color, the blue color, and the pink color. I would just go ahead and mix this together. I added perfume. Who is this motor that is passing now? I added perfume, you guys, and I would go ahead and mix everything to combine. Now I don't put all the chemicals in a uniform, or I just put according to how the spirit leads. I don't have any like, it's not a must that you must either put soda ash first or put STPP first. I don't put in their order. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but yeah. And you guys, at this point our powder detergent is ready. Please ignore the noise in the background, like vehicles are passing. Please ignore the noise. Okay, thank you for your understanding. At this point, you guys, our powder detergent is ready. Remember, we're making 5 kg homemade powdered detergent. At this point here, you see this soap is ready to be used, like 100% ready to be used. Okay, so I hope that lady that requested for this video, I hope she gets to watch this video. Okay, so again, let me still run you through all the chemicals that we use. We use SLS powder, soda ash, STPP, sodium sulfate, CMC, perfume, and sulfonic acid. Those are the ingredients. Look at this. Are you seeing how smooth this homemade detergent is looking? Are you seeing how smooth it is? Are you seeing how smooth? So at this point, everything is well combined, so you can use your hand after everything is well combined. But from the starting, make sure to wear your hand gloves and your nose mask. It's very important, as these chemicals are somehow harsh on the skin. Thank you for watching. Bye.